Accomplishing a successful and consistent harvest is the result of your hard work combined with environmental elements that all work together. Elements like lighting, temperature, humidity, CO2, nutrients, pH, and moisture level will impact the health of your plant. It's hard to monitor all these things at a microclimate level, while also considering energy use in order to optimize your harvest. Believe me, we sense your pain. Braingrid is your digital scout, providing more eyes on the prize by collecting real-time data 24 hours a day without any reliance on wiring or your Wi-Fi network. Because it's wireless, Braingrid can be installed by anyone, quickly and efficiently, whether you have an indoor grow, greenhouse, or outdoor operation. Braingrid is always watching your plants and alerting you when something is not quite right. The Braingrid Controller sends the grow data using a long-range radio to the Synapse gateway, which is placed anywhere in your facility. The Synapse then immediately sends the data to the secure Braingrid server for you to access insights on your customized dashboard. From any device, you have a simple view of your entire facility, so you can see in real time all the critical data points from your plant's perspective, along with reports, charts, and alarms. With the Braingrid platform, you reduce the risk of loss, increase yield, quality, and peace of mind. We make sense of your grow.